Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Didi. If you're joining us for the first time, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. So today I'll be teaching you all how to earn money from TikTok, how to earn dollars from TikToks. You don't have any criteria. You don't need to have 1,000 subscribers. You don't need to have 50 million views or 1 billion views. No, this is not it. All you just need is a TikTok account. All you just need is a TikTok account. So I'm going to be showing you my TikTok account right now so you understand what I'm saying. This is my TikTok account. As you can see, I only have 1,160 followers and just 1,555 likes. And from this, I've earned more than $100 so far. I know it's too small, but that's because of my view. So the higher the views, the higher the money, the higher the pay. Okay, I'm going to be explaining you how to earn money on TikTok. So the first thing you're going to go is either you use your Chrome, your Safari, click on your internet browser, any of your internet browser, and search for the app, or search for sound.me. Sorry, it's not an app. Search for sound.me. Then you click on it. Now you see here, you see 10,000 views. So depending on how many views you have, you select your country. Okay, I'm going to be selecting Nigeria because that's where I'm from. Or you can select any part of the country. You can select New Zealand. You can select anywhere of any country of your choice. Yeah, don't worry, you can still set this after you're done logging in or signing up. Nigeria, done. Then click on sign up. Now when you click on sign up, do not forget this. You're going to be signing in. You're going to be signing in with your account, like your TikTok account. If you use Google to open your TikTok account, just click on continue with Google. Pick the Gmail you use and continue. If you use phone number, click on use phone number and insert the number you use to open your TikTok account. If you use Facebook, if you use Twitter, if you use Apple, if you use Instagram, click on it. So I use Google, so I'm going to click on Google. And I'm going to search for the see the one I use here, Ifoma Wilfred. This is the Gmail I use. So I click on Ifoma Wilfred at gmail.com. We give it some time to load. Give it some time. So here you're going to do the verification procedures and stuff. So once you verify, this is the next page you'll be seeing. So I will not be clicking on authorize due to the fact that I already have an account, and they tracked my account. Once they notice that you have more than one account, they will automatically block one. Do you understand? Okay, so I'm going to go back to my other one, but just know once I click on authorize, I'll show you the next thing that I'll show you. The next thing you're going to see is this background. Okay, I'm going to show you how much I've made so far. So within 3 weeks now, I have made this amount of money. And don't forget, I've withdrawn money before, but we can't see the monthly transaction. So if not, I would have shown you the money I've been transferring since. Okay, so this is the active one I have, and this is the accepted one. It's still pending $4 for me to promote this video. So what you're going to do is, I wish there is a new one. If not, I'll show you how you do it. You click on, for instance, if it's something like this, like it will pop out like this. You click on view instruction. Once you read on the instructions and you know you can't do a video like that, so you click on that place showing you TikTok, chill like that. Then you use video. You now create the video you want to create. I don't know if you understand. So that's how you create it. Sorry. Then you will see a link. Okay, let me show you something. This place they wrote your application is pending. There's always like a box, a form shape. So you copy the link from your TikTok and paste it here. Then you send. They will now wait for a few minutes. If after they finish checking your account and they're okay with your account, they will not approve it to post or do whatever you want to do with the video. So that's how. Now if you want to withdraw this money, which I'm not ready to, you just click on get paid, put in your PayPal account, and you withdraw your money. So for here, there's question mark here in case if you have any questions already have, and if all this question is not helping, you can just click on it does not help and you now go to Gmail to test them. Now we also have this one here. You can see log out setting in case you want to set your profile. See where I told you guys that you can change your country, female, your name, and every details, like every details. Now after you're done, you can save. Now in case you want to delete your account, just click on delete account and automatically boom, it's out. So that's all on how to earn money from TikTok. I know you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.